everybody, welcome back. On today's episode, I'm going to be opening up a box of Venusaur VMAX, going back to the past with this one. But yeah, haven't got a chance to open any of these ones, so can't wait to see what the packs are. I think I see a Battle Styles in there, maybe a Darkness Ablaze, maybe something even before that. But yeah, sure, we'll find out. But guys, if you like these types of videos, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and let's open it up. Here we go, guys. Venusaur VMAX. Lovely. I think there's sleeves there, and there's a few packs in there. Is that a Sun and Moon? I haven't really looked at this. Was that? I think that's a Sun and Moon. Oh, I haven't had a chance to open one of them up. This is gonna be fun. So great. Yeah. So let's open this up. I think there's a Blastoise one or a Charizard. I'm not too sure actually about that. I don't know if I actually said that before, but. Sure, we'll see now if I can just get the right way. I'm not a fan of boxes, but we'll see. Okay, that's gone. There we go. What do we have here? Does this just pop open? I hope it just pops open. Ugh. Okay, it popped open. Aha. Ooh. Oh no. Oh, fall out. There we go. Right, so throw that over there. Okay, so let's see now. I'll have to zoom in this for a code card. Cool. And first things first, we have the small Venusaur. Let's see now if I can go. There he is. Look at that. Looks pretty cool. I like the shine on him. Yeah, that's really nice. Let me see, can I fix this up a bit? There it is. There's the zoom. Oh, hold on, that doesn't seem right. Hold on, there we go. There you go. That's a bit better. You can see the whole card now. Nice. And then we have the big one. Let's see, how far do I have to be back for that? There we go. Camera find it. Oh, no, camera's still not doing it. There we go. Having technical difficulties today, but yeah, there's the big Venusaur. Nice. And where's my sleeve for the small fella? Better sleeve him up. I have the penny sleeves today. Nice. And then what else do I have in here? Ooh. We have some sleeves. Silver in the middle. Nice little Venusaur. And we have packs. Ooh, these ones feel thick. What do we have? Alright, yeah. Okay, so we have, starting off with Battle Styles. And we have Battle Styles. And we have Darkness Ablaze. Cool. I hope I get you. And we have Sun and Moon. Ah, nice. I haven't opened up many of these, as I probably have said. But cool. Let's open these up now. I'll leave the Sun and Moon to last, and I'll start with the Battle Styles. Cool. Right, so we have the Battle Styles, we have the Urshifu VMAX in the front. Looks pretty cool. Right, let's open them up there. And we shall see what the story is here. Now, I actually forget how this works sometimes. So, I don't know what this means, but code card. Now, what was it? 3? I think it was 3. If I remember correctly, it was 3. Is there an energy there? No, maybe it's 4. Yeah, it's 4. It's 4 from the back now. Okay, so we have the Psychic Energy. We have Crawdont. We have Swordward and Shelbert. We have Indeedee. We have Spearow. We have a nice looking Onyx. We have Bellsprout. We have Galarian Mr. Mime. We have a Silicobra. Okay, we have a Durant Reverse. Okay, so what do we have here? Oh, and normal Larantis. Okay. No hollows in that little pack there. We'll just move that to the side. And we'll go to the next one. We have the Battle Styles Tyranitar. Right, so let's see now. Oh, yeah. Alright, so another green code card. Okay, so it was 1, 2, 3, 4. So that should be okay. So we'll get that there. Okay, energy looking nice. Okay. Oh, we got another Shelbert. Oh, Carnivine, Rapid Strike. Okay. Brookfish. Ooh. Sizzlipede. Another Onyx. Chimecho. Roly Cody. Oh, haven't seen him before, I don't think. He looked pretty cool in the cave. That's nice. Blipbug and here's the reverse. Oh, Cubone. Holding his bone. Right, nice. So do I get anything nice here? Oh no, please be a holo. Ah, Galarian Mr. Mime. Sorry, Mr. Rhyme. Oh no. Okay. Let's move them across here. So that was the battle styles in the box. Ah. Okay, so that was that one. Now it's the Darkness Ablaze. We're all set for Darkness Ablaze, yeah. Okay, let's go. Let the Charizard go. Ooh, maybe, who knows. Okay, so code card. Oh, went that way this time. Where can we go? There you go. Right. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4. So that should be, yep. There we go. We have an energy. Okay. Energy. Poltergeist. Okay, this is a bit off. 1 second. Okay, here we go. We got a Poltergeist. Vanillish. Guman. Rose. Guman. Cool looking electric. Very anime. Pansage. Nice. Skarmory. Ooh, Neo vibes. Starly. Nice. Torchic. And Blaziken. No. Cubchoo. And what will we have here? Oh, it's going to be a normal card, is it? Oh! Now we get a Holo Aggron. Okay, nice little Holo Aggron. That's cool. Okay, so now the last. Going back to the past with Sun and Moon. I don't know what year this was done. What year was this? Does it have a year on it? Alola. Can't see how long ago this one was. Trying to figure out when Alola was. 2017. Okay. So, this is a 2017 pack. Right. So, I better be careful. Never mind. I was going to say let's try and be careful, but that's not gonna happen. Okay. Go guard. Right. So, I think it's 4 as well. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. We'll see now, won't we? Yeah. Okay. We have Water Energy. Nice. Oh. Corsola. A Repel. Pelipper. Roggenrola. Oh, a Alolan Rattata. Chimcho. Paris. Poliwag. Oh, done in crochet. That's a nice looking Poliwag actually. Oh, okay, I like the holo in this one. Big leaves. And I think it's upside down. Oh, and it's an that's a fancy looking Espeon. That is cool. I actually have a GX from 2017 now. Fancy that. That's cool. So VMAX Venusaur, and a nice Espeon GX. And that's the end of this video. Yeah, I got the Espeon, the VMAX. Considering that I hear that Darkness Ablaze and Battle Styles have bad putting rates, so I'm happy to get something out of Sun and Moon. So, yeah, so I think I did alright in that box. So, yeah, guys, if you like these videos, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'd like to hear from you. If you have any questions, I'll try and answer you as well as I can. But guys, yeah, when you do that, and I'll be opening, I don't know, what's next? I think it's Paldea and Fate. I think I have some Paldea and Fate I'll be opening that. So if you want to see that, I'll catch us over at the next one.